Do I have to hold it down? No.
Oh, you just hold it down once.
Okay.
And then it'll say recording on it.
Yeah, it's recording right now. Connor Jackson going for the drop.
Whew, alright.
Just don't get a concussion, dude.
Don't even say that.
Okay, I won't. Will he do it? A minute 23 seconds. 2019. You're good.
You can do it. You did it last time.
Alright, you're good.
Ready?
Yep.